Good morning, students of class 11 biology. Students, today we are going to demonstrate our first practical of A-level biology. Okay, now let's see the blackboard. This is the object of today's practical. The object is to study the different parts of microscope. Now let's see the second point of here, apparatus and instruments. Okay, this is a required for this practical. Okay, that is known as the instruments. Okay, the apparatus and instruments. The compound microscopes and dissecting microscopes is the requirement of today's practical. Is the equipments which is used today in today's practicals. Now, what is the observation? Okay, what is the observations and how many various parts of microscopes? Okay, now today we will explain every parts of microscope. Okay, now let's see. This is the eyepiece. They are the different parts of microscope. We will see in today practical lectures. Okay, students, this is the eyepiece, or we can say that ocular lenses, which contain ocular lenses. Now the second is body tubes. Okay, body tubes, and the third one is arm. This is arm, and fourth one is adjustment knob. Okay, we will see adjustment knob. There are the two type of adjustment knob present in microscope. Okay, first is coarse adjustment knob. Coarse adjustment knob, or we can say that coarse adjustment knob. Okay, and the second is fine adjustment knob. Fine adjustment. Okay, fine adjustment knob. Okay, student. Now the fifth type of microscope is objective lenses. Okay, objective lenses. Okay, students, objective lenses. Okay, there are the two or more than two objective lenses which contain a microscope. Okay, students. Now the next part is diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm which contain iris. Okay, which contain a iris, just like our eyes. Okay, which control the light intensity. Okay, we will explain further in our demonstration. Okay, now the next is refractive mirror. Okay, it also contain, the microscope also contain a refractive mirror. Okay, what is the function of refractive mirror? We will explain in demonstration of microscope. Now next and the last part, base. Okay, see the base which hold all the microscope. Okay, which base which hold all the microscope. Okay, students. So this is a major part of microscope. Okay, now let's see what is the function of this major part of microscopes. Okay, students. Now let's see in a demonstration lectures on the microscope. Okay, students. Now we will explain a various part of microscope. Students, look at the here. This is a compound microscope. Okay, students, this is a compound microscope. Students, before starting the explanation of various parts of microscope, what is microscope and what is compound microscope? Students, we know that it is a widely and extensively used instruments in all biology labs. Okay, students, that means microscope of different powers are used to observe microscopic details of any given sample. Okay, students, it means it magnifies. Okay, it means the microscope based on the two functions. Okay, two function is, first is magnification. Okay, the second is resolutions. Okay, resolution and magnification. Magnification means it is the ratio of increased image to the image formed and retina of normal eyes. Okay, students, and the second is resolutions. Okay, resolution means it is the ability of microscope to distinguish two close points, okay, as separate entities. Okay, students. Okay, now how many type of microscope? There are the two type of microscope. One is light microscope and the second is electron microscopes. Okay, and the light microscope further categorized in two types. First is dissecting microscope and the second is compound microscope. This is a compound microscope. Okay, students. And the electron microscope, okay, the second type of microscopes which has a high magnification power. Okay, now let's demonstrate the various part of compound microscope. Okay, students. Now let's see. Okay, students. Now this is the first part of microscope known as eyepiece, or we can say it ocular lens. Okay, students, ocular lens. Okay, what is eyepiece? Okay, and what is the function of eyepiece? Okay, that means the eye lenses which magnifies the objective lens. Okay, this is the eye lenses which magnify the objective lenses. It means what is the function of eyepiece? The function of eyepiece which magnify the objective lenses. Okay, if now look at the here, this is a 10x. That is the magnification power is 10x. If the magnification power of eyepiece is 10x and the magnification power of objective lens, okay, and magnification power of objective lens is, now look at the here, 40x. Okay, 40x. Okay, so what is the total magnification power of eyepiece? The 40x multiplied by 10x. Okay, 40x multiplied by 10x. What is the total magnification power? 450 times more resolutions, more magnify. Okay, to the micro specimen. That is a magnification power of eyepiece. So this is a eyepiece. Okay, students, this is eyepiece. Okay, now let's see the next part. Yes. Now the second is body tube. Students, this is a body tube. Okay, this is a body tube. What is the function of body tube? Body tubes which join the eyepiece to the objective lens. This is the objective lens is here. This is a two objective lenses here. Okay, students, there are two objective lenses here. Okay, one is 40x and the 45x, and the second is 10x. Okay, the second is 10x. Okay, so then next part we will discuss. This is the arm. Okay, student, this is the arm. Okay, this is the arm. Arm means which raises the objective lenses above the stages. Okay, arms which raises the objective lenses above the stages. This is a stage. Okay, this is a stage. Okay, students. Now, and what is the function of arms? Arms also used. Okay, students, arms also used carrying the microscope. Will carry the microscope from one place to another place. Okay, students. So this is the function of arm. Now the next is objective lens. What is objective lens and what is the function of objective lens? Okay, student. Now look at the here. This is a there are the two objective lenses here. One is 45x and the second is 10x. Okay, and what is the function of objective lens? Students, we know that the second point of magnification usually, okay, it means the second point. The first point is eyepiece and second point, it means the objective lens which magnify, okay, which magnifies the microscope, which magnify the resolutions, which magnify the power of microorganisms. Okay, which magnify the image of specimen or object. Okay students, so this is the function of objective lens. These are 44x, 10x, they are the different type of objective lens. For 4x, okay, these are 10x, they may be 40x, 100x, okay, they are the different type of objective lens in our compound microscope. Okay students, now the next, now this is a stage. Okay, this is a stage. What is the function of a stage? Okay students, stage means stage, it is a platform. Okay, the platform where the slide is placed for viewing. Okay, and the slide is attached to the stage by slide clips. Okay student, this is a stage, it is a platform where object viewing. Okay, it means the platform where the slide is placed for viewing or for observing. Now, and who hold these slides? Okay, this is a slide clips. This is known as a slide clips. Okay, the slide clips, it attached to the slides by slide clips. Okay student, this is the function of slide clips. Okay, and now let's see the next part, adjustment. Okay students, there are two type of adjustment in here. Look at the here students. Yes, in your microscope there are two type of adjustment. This is a coarse adjustment and this is a fine adjustment. Okay, and what is the function of coarse adjustment and fine adjustment? Now let's know about coarse adjustment. Okay students, this is a coarse adjustment knob. Okay, and coarse adjustment knobs which brings the specimen into the focus. Okay, the specimen which brings into the focus of objective lens. Okay, so this is a function of coarse adjustment. Now you can move here up and down. Okay, with the help of coarse adjustment. The second is fine adjustment. The name indicates, okay, the name indicates that is a fine adjustment. Okay, you move slowly. Okay, that means the fine focus. Okay, the fine focus of fine adjustment. Okay, the focus. Okay, which is used as a clear picture of object. Okay, which used as a clearance or clear picture of the image of object. Okay students, this is a function of coarse. Now let's see here. Okay students, yes, this is a condenser. Yes, this is a condenser. Okay, this is condenser. The condenser which bear iris, diaphragm iris. Okay, iris diaphragm. Okay, iris diaphragm. What is the function of iris diaphragm? Okay, a rotating disc under the stage. Okay, this is a stage. The diaphragm is a rotating disc which under the stage. This is a rotating disc. Yes, you can move here and there. Okay, the rotating disc. Okay, it varies the intensity of light that is projected upwards into sides. Okay, that means what is the function of iris? Which control, okay, which control the intensity of light, which control the intensity of light that is projected upward into the slide. Okay student, and which control the light intensity like iris of human eyes. Okay student, what is the function of human eyes? Iris of human eyes, that means they control the light intensity. Okay, this is a diaphragm. Okay, now let's see the next part of microscope is mirror. That is the reflecting mirror, which is used as a reflection of sunlight. Okay, which is used as a reflection of sunlight from here and there. Okay students, now this is a mirror. Now the last part of this microscope is, this is a basement or base, okay, which hold the whole microscope, okay, which hold the whole microscope. So this is base, okay. Yes, now look at the here. So this is the explanation of various part of microscope, okay student. Now again I will repeat step by step microscope parts, different part of microscope. This is eyepiece, okay students, this is eyepiece, this is body tubes, okay, this is body tube, this is eyepiece, this is body tubes, okay student, this is body tubes. Now the next is, this is coarse adjustment, this is fine adjustment, this is arm, this is objective lens, there are the two objective lenses here, this is stage, this is slide clip. Now the next, this is condenser, this is condenser, this is iris or iris diaphragm, okay, iris diaphragm, this is reflective lens, and last one is base, okay. So this is a various part of microscope with explanation, okay students. Thank you so much.